Hello friends, we'll be discussing about a very important topic today, that is antenna selection. So what kind of antenna should be selected in which kind of terrain, or the locality, or kind of population available in that particular area, like it's a urban area or suburban area, or it's rural or highway area. So this is very important during the planning process, the antenna selection. So let's consider we're having three different areas to consider before plan for any antenna. So let's say we're having urban area, suburban area or the medium urban area, and the rural or the highways. So for that, the horizontal beam width or the half power angle selection should be like 60 to 65 degrees in the urban area, and 65 to 90 degrees in the suburban or medium urban areas, and 90 degrees to 120 degrees in the highways or rural, so that we can target the particular angle. Let's say in the highway we need to cover the two directions, or in a suburban urban area we need to have more coverage in a particular direction. So the horizontal half power angle should be 90 to 120 degrees. Moving forward, the gain should be in the urban areas we are having 15 dBi, or the medium gain is recommended. 15 to 18 dBi is required in suburban or medium urban areas. We can use 15 dBi or 18 dBi as per requirement. And in the rural or highways we can use 16 to 18 dBi gain antennas, or the omnidirectional antenna, which normally comes with a 11 dBi gain in normal condition. And regarding the polarization, in dense urban we should have dual polarization. We can have dual polarization or vertical polarization in the medium or suburban areas, and only vertical polarization is recommended in rural or highways. Then the tilt, the electrical down tilt, that varies from 0 to 10 degrees, but the recommended value in the dense urban areas is 2 to 6 degrees, and arch per requirement in the suburban and the medium urban or the rural areas. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments, and please like and share. Thank you so much. In the next session we'll be coming with some more interesting and some more planning requirement topics. Thank you so much. Thanks.